Okay, this is a video about the Next Stop Recommender. I've got it running on an Android device here. As you can see, I'm going to open Next Stop Recommender here from the app tray. And because I'm not authenticated, it's going to ask me to log in. So I'm just going to provide my credentials here. Now, I should only have to do this once. Once I provide my username and password, the app is going to remember that. And the next time I start the app, it will remember what user I am and just automatically log me in. So I've entered my login and password, and there you can see I'm logged in as Ben. Now it says location service is running. That means it's actually recording locations at this time. Also, it says the server is connected. This means I have connectivity to the server. And I have 0 locations in storage at the moment. So what's going to happen is I have a menu button on my phone. I can bring up my menu options. Now if I wanted to turn off the location service, for example, now it says the location service is stopped. Now I can wander wherever I want and those locations will not be recorded on the phone. So let's turn that back on. If at any time I can't reach the server, this is going to show network the server is disconnected, and in that case my locations are going to be cached on the device. Now you can see the phone has just realized that my location changed, and it's going to store that location on the device until every so often the phone is going to go out and do a network check against the server to make sure that it has a connection, and if it does, it's going to at the same time offload any cached locations that it may have. So you may see in the next little while that location stored will go down to 0, and that just means that those locations that are stored on the device have been there you go. So it's just sent that location to the server, and the location is now not on the device, but it is in the database on the server. So let's go through the menu here and just take a look at our options. We've got a manual entry. This is so I could manually key in latitude and longitude coordinates. So for example, if I happen to know what my latitude and longitude coordinates were, I could put those in, and also it provides a convenient date picker and time picker so that I can enter my time for that location. Now you can see we've just entered a new location in the cache on the device, and again that will be offloaded in the next synchronization batch. Also, I have a QR code entry. This will start the QR code scanner. I'm not sure how well this is going to work on a video, but I've got a sheet with QR codes here, and I can try and scan one for you. And there, it's taken that picture of that QR code, and you can see I've got a location again. And again, that will be offloaded the next time a batch is sent out. Also, I have a settings button here. I can click on the settings, and really this is just so that I can change the server address, so that if the IP address of the server changed, I don't have to download a new APK into the device. I can just dynamically go in here and change that. That's my current server address. I could also use a DNS address here, like a host name, and I could also put a port number at the end. I'm not going to change that for now. The other thing I can do from this application is get recommendations. So maybe I want to request a recommendation from the Next Stop, and you can see it's recommended a location for me. I'm going to go ahead and click that, and it's taken me to a Google Maps screen where I can look at that location, and it's got a star where the location is that I might want to go to. So I'm going to go back, and I can also log out. It sends me back to the login screen, and that's about it for the Next Stop Recommender application. Thanks for watching.